If you accidentally fall out of a plane, most people think you should aim to land in water, but in reality, that's the worst option. The thing is, water doesn't compress well and you'll be falling at over 200 miles per hour, and the impact will feel the same as hitting concrete. It's better to choose another landing spot if possible. For example, 1024 Porte Harbour Arch, number 302 in Hampton. Wake up to Chesapeake Bay views in this light-filled waterfront condo located in a gated marina community with private beach access. Fresh paint, new LVP flooring, marina view balcony, and the ability to keep your boat right out back make this the ultimate coastal getaway. If you're looking for your landing spot to be convenient to everything that Hampton has to offer, call my cell to arrange your private tour. By the way, I suggest you skip the plane and drive instead.